Standing wrist extension stretch. It is good for forearm or wrist rehab and preventing other sports injuries, as all extensive training sessions involve using hands and lifting weights. Thus, it should be included in warm-up sessions, too. Step 1. Extend one arm with the wrist in front of you and point your palm towards the floor. Step 2. With the help of your other hand, gently bend your wrist farther or upwards until you experience a mild to moderate stretch in your forearm. Step 3. Hold the stretch for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 6 to 8 times for each hand. 3 sets in a row. Once daily. 5 days a week. Standing wrist flexion stretch. It is good for forearm or wrist rehab and preventing other sports injuries, as all extensive training sessions involve using hands and lifting weights. Thus, it should be included in warm-up sessions, too. In addition, it should be combined with wrist extension stretch. Step 1. Extend the arm with one of your wrists in front of you and point your fingers toward the floor. Step 2. With your other hand, softly bend your wrist farther or downwards until you feel a good stretch in your forearm. Then, hold the stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 4 to 6 times for each hand. 3 sets in a row. Once daily. 5 days a week.
Forearm pronation and supination with hammer. It is for strengthening the forearm. An exercise that involves rotating the forearm to strengthen its muscles. Hammer is generally available in every household, though you can also use a small dumbbell. You can do it either standing or sitting. Step 1. Hold a hammer in your hand and then start rotating your forearm. Step 2. Pronation is when the back of the hand is facing upward, and supination is the opposite, when the palm is facing upward. When doing pronation and supination by holding a hammer, do not forget to hold in each position for about 3 seconds. Step 3. Repeat the motion with both the arms. Repeat 10 to 12 times. 3 sets in a row. Once daily. 5 days a week.
Seated gripping towel. It is an exercise to strengthen your grip and slow lower stress levels. Step 1. Hold the rolled towel in one of the hands. Step 2. Squeeze the towel with moderate strength. Step 3. Repeat it with the other hand. Repeat 8 to 10 times. 3 sets in a row. It can be done multiple times a day. 5 days a week. Seated wrist radial deviation with dumbbell. It is an exercise that is quite good for strengthening the wrist. It works as it isolates the other forearm muscles that help in wrist flexion and extension and helps strengthen the sidewise motion of the wrist. Step 1. Hold a dumbbell with your arm outstretched in front of you. Step 2. Move the wrist to result in its sidewise motion or radial motion. Repeat 8 to 12 times. 3 sets in a row. Once daily. 5 days a week.